Hi, okay, we're gonna learn some new stuff about Excel. Okay, things like days of the week, we don't have to key them in individually. Just type Monday, hold the back key. Once you see a cross, you drag it, and the day comes out at the bottom. As you can see, it says Saturday and Sunday. There, it stretches all the way to there. If you can't see it, then just stretch it a little more till you can see all of them. Okay, same goes with months. You type January and then you stretch them across all the way up to December. There. Cool, right? Okay, let's move on to personal monthly budget. How to calculate things. Okay, what I've got here is the food, transport and miscellaneous accounts for the months of September through December. I've got the total of September, October and December, so now we'll look at how to count for the month of November. Okay, the first way is to personally use a calculator and slowly do it. Okay, but Excel counts it all for you, so just make use of it. Okay, if you want to count and use any function, press the equal sign. The equal, to calculate the total, you type sum. Type sum, double click it, and then it says number 1 and number 2, right? So you key in the individual numbers here. There's 118, 91.3 and 50. 118, you comma 91.3 and 50, and you close it off with a bracket and you press enter, and there you have it, the total. There is of course another way, which I will show you using the average function. Similarly, you type equal sign, type average, double click it. Okay, but instead of typing individual numbers, you hold the shift key and you click on the cells that you want to find the average of. And you see that it appears around here. To finish off, just press the enter button and there you have it. Average of transport for 4 months. That's all.